Fixing a broken pipe leak neatly using smart tricks. Repairing and patching wall holes like a true professional. Repairing a bathroom wall hole with quick foam technique. Building a gorgeous brick outdoor water fountain station easily. Building an amazing rustic wooden pallet bed frame design. Creating a cozy wooden backyard seating area with fire pit. Building a gorgeous backyard mini pond with colorful fish. Transforming a boring side pathway into a stunning garden. Creating a beautiful stone walkway with lush garden borders. Transforming a plain yard into a stunning modern garden.